Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to give you a brief introduction to advanced ETL processor standard. We do have three different versions: standard, professional, and enterprise. Standard is recommended for those users who just want to transfer their data. Professional is for developers, and enterprise are for running on the servers and developers as well. So here we have the main interface, and we have number of objects available for us on the right, and the standard template has a reader, validator, transformer, and writer. The data flows from the left to the right. Let's start from setting reader properties. Our source type is text files. We say that file is delimited, it has one line header, and we will be automatically detecting a file encoding. Let's select the source file. Let's set field names. We can take the field names from any line we want, but in this case we are taking it from line number 1. Also auto-formatted, and we need to set the field names again. We can load data from multiple files using mask, and we can even search in subdirectories. So the next object is a validator, and all it does checks data quality issues. We can use automap function to do the mapping, or we can just drag and drop. If you want to remove it, you just repeat the process. Let's say, for example, we want to load data only for 2004. On the left, we have a list of available transformation and validation functions. The function we need is equal to we'll double click on it and we say if year value is 2004, we'd like to reject the record, and we also would like to write a message to the log file. Another useful feature is process preview. As you can see, it is rejected. This one is not rejected. You can also see target data here and previous step, which is relevant in our case. So let's set writer properties. Again, data target type is text file. You select the file. Let's call it transformed. And we'll overwrite it and to create a header. And file format is delimited. Let's copy fields from source to target. We can type them here manually and adjust the width, but it's just too much effort. So we just copy it. By the way, we can copy it not only from reader, but also from validator and some other objects, like that. Same, for example, same for reader. If we want to rename fields, we can do it here, and we can change the formats as well. So let's amend our transformer. Again, we're using automap function. Okay, it's all mapped. And we have slight problem with our data because it has unnecessary space, and it would be nice to convert the first letter to uppercase, the company name. Again, on the right we have a list of transformation functions. So first function we need to use delete spaces. The next function is first step. We have more than 500 transformation validation functions. Our software also supports Python, and it has integrated scripting language, which is very similar to Pascal. You will find all this information in the wiki. So let's preview the data. You can see here we have spaces. Here's only one space, and everything is converted nicely. And if we click on the previous execution log, we can see some of the data was rejected. And here's our target data converted. Let's click OK. So we are now ready to transform the data. All we need to do is to press the green arrow. We have a slight problem, but it can be easily fixed by changing the path. Say to the demands, it's just not enough access rights. See data. It should do the trick. Let's try running it again. Here, as you can see, this time it's worked, and we can see some statistics. So 23,000 records per second, took less than 1 second, and here some messages. If you go to execution log, we can see more detailed information about execution statistics, and we also have rejected file, which is empty. I guess this is how it should be for this transformation. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we'll do our best to help you. And please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.